Good morning. I'm meteorologist Dave Epstein. It's Tuesday, the 3rd of February. Here's your weather wisdom for today. We're back to the mid 30s this afternoon. Yesterday, many spots 33, 34, 35. First time since the 23rd of January it got above freezing. Don't get used to it, however. We're going to see winds relatively calm, and with all the sunshine, it'll be a nice afternoon. If you get a chance to take a walk, do some snowshoeing, cross country skiing, take advantage of this. It's not going to be around forever. It may seem like it, but it's not going to be. Overnight tonight, partly cloudy between 10 and 15, maybe 17 in Boston. Tomorrow, sunshine up near 30. Again, winds are light, so we're going to knock a few degrees off that the air will feel a little bit colder tomorrow. And Thursday and Friday are partly to mostly sunny. I think more cloudiness Friday afternoon. Temperatures in the upper 20s, but again, light wind. Then the bottom falls out. Friday night, we have a chance for a snow shower or a snow squall. Front moves through. Saturday, temperatures will be starting in the single digits and not really go anywhere, staying in the teens. Wind chill values anywhere from 5 to 25 below zero. It's going to be a rough weekend if you are headed skiing. I'll just tell you that right off the bat. With the wind being as gusty as it's going to be and temperatures where they are, there's probably going to be some lift holds, so just be mindful of that if you're headed up. Same thing on Sunday with sunshine, maybe a couple of degrees warmer, less cold, mid-teens. And then we'll start to pull out of it a little bit here on Monday, temperature up near 20, but still breezy. That gradient, the difference between low pressure in the Maritimes and higher pressure to the north, is really going to be evident here for the weekend and into next week. So we definitely have some really cold stuff around the area. Some of the models are really going super cold here for Sunday. We'll see just how cold it ends up. I do think that there are some signs once we get to the 10th that we start to get a little bit milder and pull out of this. At some point we have to. I was looking at the GFS model, for example, and that particular model has us very cold here over the weekend, but then starts to pull out of it a little bit into next week. Now, whether or not we do or not remains to be seen, but some hopeful signs for those of you that really don't like the cold. We're not gonna have 70, but we could see some actual melting in southern New England going on here as we get towards the end of midweek through the second week of the month. All right, everybody, have a great day.